YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with another update on this Bitcoin Toshi Coin madness. If it's your first time tapping in, hit the like button, the subscribe button. Doing my best every day, giving you guys the top picks. But as you guys can see, the market looking super volatile today. Also, gotta let you guys know too, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, just the homie, right? As you guys can see, market down 3%. Yikes, man! A lot of stuff. Seeing some big sell action. Bitcoin looking again like we might start seeing another breakdown going into the weekend. Just saw attack on Iran and then an attack back on Israel. It's just going crazy right now over there in the Middle East. And as you guys could see, the entire market is feeling it right now as fear and panic starts to set in. A lot of people starting to take profit and just kind of fearing the worst, right? We'll see kind of what happens going into this weekend. Maybe we do break bullish this weekend, even though we have so much civil unrest going on in the world. Maybe, again, the sentiment sets in and we start seeing some more sell-off. Did talk about the fact that actually earlier we were just too high on the fear greed index anyway, and I was saying that we're probably going to see a correction, and sure enough, this is kind of something that might draw some fear into the market, right? Interesting how that just kind of happens and how that plays out. I don't know. Again, always speculative in this market. That's why I always tell you guys to market cap, as you guys can see, coming in at $3.2 trillion, still smaller than a lot of Fortune 500 companies. So you just gotta understand just again how up and down our market can go. As you guys could see, even FARC going down 10%, right? Who would have thought? But again, can Bitcoin hold out? Is Bitcoin going to capitulate? Is it going to see a retest of that 100K range, or can it bounce back? As you guys could see, a lot of these bigger coins even getting absolutely wrecked, right? Even Ethereum, especially, right? Ethereum and Solana, both of them down 7%. XRP not down that much. Dude, XRP is just holding steady around this $2 range. It's slowly becoming a stable coin again. I mean, it's not a stable coin. It could definitely see more sell off, but it's just not doing it. It looks like just kind of riding the wave. I wonder if again we're going to see this altcoin cycle, or again if we're not. Just the other day we were at a 30 on altcoin season. Today we're at a 23. What's going on, man? Let's talk about some Toshi. So you guys could see Toshi coming in at 220 million market cap today. We were seeing some good price action this morning. Since then, we just kind of started breaking down with Bitcoin. As you guys could see, we had a possible double bottom here. We shot up, created this bull flag, shot up again, and then had a big rejection, and the price just come tumbling down as Bitcoin also takes a dump again with all of this news and these new attacks. And as a matter of fact, some of these attacks that just played out within the last couple of minutes. So again, we might see some more sell-off happen on Bitcoin now as we create a rising wedge and slowly start trending sideways anyway. Isn't it just kind of funny how the trend was already kind of headed in a direction where it could break down, but then again, maybe they'll do a fake out. I don't know anything that's going to happen in this market. Again, totally unpredictable. Look at the price within the last month. Again, it's been absolutely crazy. Nobody knows what's going to happen. We've seen the market already kind of start pumping, even though, California was rioting, going crazy. So again, maybe now that there's a war in Iran and Israel, maybe it won't be as affected. Or again, maybe we do see some more sell-off happen into the weekend. It's pretty normal in crypto to see sell-off happen in the weekend. I always say usually real price action happens around a Thursday. But it looks like on Thursday we broke down again. Nobody knows these world events and stuff like that can arise. That's why we always try to cover it. I always tell you guys kind of the TA, but then again, I always tell you these markets are speculative for reasons like this, right? Unforeseen events like Coinbase hack and wars and protests and riots, all kinds of stuff that, again, who could have known this except for Miss Cleo, right? Same thing with the market. Nobody knows what's going to be the top. Nobody knows what's going to be the bottom. It's always just speculation, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I do not tell people what to buy. So just understand that and do your own research. You know, you gotta do your own research on all this stuff. Even on Bitcoin, be sure that this is a space that you want to be in, man. It's these times are times where you have to really, question what you bought. You know what I'm saying? Do you believe in Bitcoin? As you guys can see, Bitcoin starting to create this little rabbit ears. This is kind of a bearish pattern right here. It's not very good looking. It looks like Bitcoin could see some sell off, but again, so far it's holding. It is Friday. Anything can happen. Um, and yeah, I want to know what you guys think though. Are you bearish or bullish on Bitcoin? Also, are you bearish or bullish on Toshi Coin? I want to know. Let me know in the comment section below. Catch you next video. Peace.